What's up, y'all? Devin with the Media Depot here again to give you a tutorial. This time, we're going to be using Adobe Premiere Pro. And what I'm going to be teaching you how to do is how to remove nasty white noise from your videos so it can sound professional. So let's get right into it. This audio is for a video project of mine, and it's got a little bit of white noise in the background that makes it sound more scratchy than I'd like it to be. I'm going to play it for you guys so you can hear what I'm talking about.
That sound high in the air, murmur of maternal lamentation.
Yeah, it doesn't sound so good. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure our audio is selected, and then we're going to go up to Window, and then we're going to go down to Audio Track Mixer, and then select the audio. So when you click play, you can see where the audio is being measured in these green bars on audio 1 and the master audio. So to edit this, what we're going to do is press this little arrow in the upper left-hand corner, and these white bars pop down. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by pressing this top arrow, and we're going to go down to noise reduction and then press denoise.
Sound high in the air.
So when you can play it, you can hear there's already a dramatic decrease in the noise that you can hear in the background. But I'm still going to crank it up to about 60% here.
Over endless plains, stumbling and cracking.
Now it's really sounding clean.
Horizon only. What is that?
But there's still a slight hum in the background. So to really get that out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the master track and do the same thing, except I'm going to select de-hummer this time. So 60 really does do a good job, but I think I'm going to crank it up just a little bit more now. With noise de-hummer, you do have to be more careful because if you go too high, there's like an opposite feedback where the voice actually sounds worse. So you just got to make sure that you feel it out and see what sounds right for you and whatever voice recording that you've taken. So let's hear what that sounds like with the de-hummer.
What is that sound high in the air? Murmur of maternal lamentation. Who are those hooded hordes swarming over endless plains?
And with that, the white noise is almost completely indiscernible in the background, and you've got yourself a really clean, nice audio that'll be great for a podcast, a video, or whatever else you plan on using it for. And with that done, this tutorial is over. Thank you for watching, and if it helped, please give us a thumbs up, and if you have any other things that you'd like to know, questions, comments, drop them down below, and we'll be back with you in another tutorial later. Media Depot out.